Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to import themes in Google Slide. Okay, so Google Slides has already has many themes, or you can say layout, and you can download, you can import the new themes from some resources. I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. First, if you want to import the themes, so select the slide. Okay, don't select any text object or image object. Okay, just select the slide, just click on outside or within that slide. Okay, it's my internet is slow, I think. Okay, click on within the slide, then this option will become go to the themes, and you can change theme as per you want. Just select the themes and it will be applied to your existing slide. If you want to import the themes, you can just go to the import. First, I am going to show you the one source called slidesgo.com, and here you can find your many slides for your Google slide and presentation. Just open the your okay, so whatever you like, just open the slide. If I like this one, I will open it. Okay, so this is not any sponsored video, I just show you which I use, and you can use it if you want. Now just make it copy. After that, these themes will be open with the new slide. Okay, if I open this and if I make it copy, then it will be open with the new Google Slides. Okay, so let it open first. Okay, it is open now, and the copy has been done and it is open. Now come to your existing Google Slides. Now you want to import it, go to the import themes, and you will find these themes here. Okay, I just import copy these themes. So just select and just select, and it will be import automatically. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.